Hello viewers, welcome back to Yalnidhi channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to transfer a line of contents in a single cell to different columns. Another thing is how to transfer the column values into row values. Let us see how to do it. In most of the cases, we may get struggle by copying a single line to transfer into different columns. Let us see how to do it. So I have a line of values here. I am copying this value and I am pasting in Excel. Now all the values is pasted in single cell. You can see here this single cell having these values, but I need to transfer all these values into this column. Let us see how to do it. For that, after pasting the values, select the cell, go to data, go to text to columns. You can see here text to columns, click it. You will have two different options, delimited and fixed width. Let us see one by one. First select delimited, then go to next. You can see here different checkboxes here. Select others. So this values is separated by the symbol plus. So enter plus. So these values will be divided, and click on next and click on finish. You can see here all these values is converted into different columns. Why this letters are bigger than this is this cell only converted into a different size, so that the remaining is smaller. So you can copy this and you can transfer here, no issue. Okay, let us see the another method. So yes, now select this cell, go to text to columns. Now select fixed width. So with the fixed width size, the cell will be divided. Then go to next. Now use this scale bar and choose the width. So now 5000 is entered here, so I am clicking here. Here the 350 is entered here, I am clicking. Likewise, I am click on the lines on the scale where the number ends. So now everything is okay. Now click on next, then click on finish. You can see everything is changed. So now you can transfer this value, copy, and you can paste here. All the values has been divided and pasted in different columns. So this is text to column. Now column to row. So you can see here these columns are having these values, and these values have to be transferred into rows in some other area in this sheet. So copy these values, select the cell wherever you wanted to transfer. Now right click, you can see a value, a icon which is transpose. You can see now the column values is pasted in row values. You can do it one more time. Now right click, go to paste special, where you can find the different arrow in inclined arrow, the row to text, row to column or column to row. You can use this, otherwise go to paste special. You can see here there is two checkbox. One is transpose. Click on the transpose and click on OK. The column values will be changed into row value. Likewise, you can transfer this also. Copy this, select a cell, paste special, go to paste special, again click on transpose. Row values will be changed into column values. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe Yalnidhi channel. Click on like and comment and share. Thank you for watching.